what's going to happen? We've got a problem. These front brakes are sticking, the caliper seized, and I need to fix it because it's not really fucking with everything, but yeah, I just can't have that happening, and if I have an MOT, that's going to fail. So we are doing that today. I've got no idea what to do. All I have is a set of tools, and we're winging it basically. So yeah, lovely. Yeah. Number one, and the other two, no. Is it a 12? It is a 12. Allegedly I break this one off first, which holds the pins in, lifty-loosey. And then this one. Just crack the other one off first. Not slipping away now. I think that should just slide out now. How do I get it past the... Oh yeah, yeah. The bottom one freely moves, I guess. But I don't like the fact that that's just popped out. Well, there's the pin. And there are the pads. These might be the factory ones. I don't know how much surface they're supposed to be, but yeah, I don't know. As far as I'm aware, this whole caliper is supposed to slide up and down. So why is it not sliding? It's supposed to be on this bracket, isn't it? So no, it's moving. That feels a lot better. mean, I might have done it. Alright, just stuck the caliper back on. I was sitting there moving it around, obviously, and it felt free, so I don't really know. Anyway, I was just watching a video, and it seems that these two bolts that actually mount the whole bracket in are quite finicky with the torque. So I've just loosened them ever so slightly, and it sounds a hell of a lot better. So I need to make sure that these aren't going to come and sort of back themselves out, but it definitely don't sound as sort of scratchy and grindy on my disc, so it's probably fixed, but I don't really know. I need to go and take it for a test ride, but yeah, that's not too bad. Easy peasy.